Analyze the chemical structures of each compound provided in the table. Butane, C4H10, a straight-chain hydrocarbon consisting entirely of nonpolar CH and CC bonds. Acetone, CH3COCH3, a symmetric, polar ketone containing a highly electronegative carbonyl oxygen double bonded to carbon, C equals O. 1-propanol, CH3CH2CH2, OH, an alcohol containing a highly polar hydroxyl group, OH. Determine the types of intermolecular forces, IMFs, present in each liquid. Butane, because the electronegativity difference between carbon and hydrogen is negligible, butane is a nonpolar molecule. Thus, butane molecules are held together in the liquid phase solely by weak London dispersion forces, LDFs. Acetone, due to the polar carbonyl group, the molecule has a permanent net dipole moment. It experiences relatively strong dipole-dipole attractions in addition to LDFs. 1-propanol, because a hydrogen atom is directly bonded to a highly electronegative oxygen atom in the hydroxyl group. 1-propanol molecules are capable of forming extremely strong intermolecular hydrogen bonds, the strongest type of IMF among these three substances. In addition to dipole-dipole attractions and LDFs, relate IMF strength to boiling point. The boiling point of a substance represents the temperature at which the average kinetic energy of the molecules is sufficient to completely overcome the intermolecular attractions holding them together in the liquid phase. Stronger intermolecular forces require a significantly larger input of thermal energy to disrupt, directly resulting in a higher boiling point. Rank the compounds in order of increasing boiling point. Lowest boiling point, butane, because it possesses only weak London dispersion forces. Middle boiling point, acetone, because its dipole-dipole attractions are stronger than butane's LDFs, but weaker than hydrogen bonds. Highest boiling point, 1-propanol, because its intermolecular hydrogen bonding network requires the greatest amount of thermal energy to overcome. Therefore, the correct increasing order of boiling points is butane less than acetone less than 1-propanol, which corresponds to option B. The correct answer is option B, butane less than acetone less than 1-propanol.